Hello, crafty friends. I have a new project share for you. My daughter commissioned me to make this little mini album for her friend's birthday party today. So I only had a couple days to get this done, but I found that it was really easy to put together and I had a lot of fun making it. I didn't get to do a tutorial on this, but if you're interested in seeing one, please comment down below and I will try to get that done as soon as possible. So anyway, now that I have more time to make one. But so the first thing is that this little frame right here I cut out on Cricut. So all I did was look up frames, and I found this one and I thought it was pretty cute. And then right here, Alex and Mia and the best friends, the sentiment. I created those in Adobe and then made PNGs out of them and then cut it out on my Cricut using the paper collection. And then to make them a little bit darker, I went ahead and inked them with a Prima Deep Kiss. And I just love these little spongy things. They're pretty cute and easy to use. So I did use the same paper, the striped pink and black stripe on the front and the back, and then I did wrap my spine, and that was actually pretty easy to do. And the reason why that is I use this 2-inch double-sided sticky tape, and I will try to put the link down below for you. Also, I use 3/8 and 1/2 inch and 1/8 inch tape along with my glue. I decided to switch out from Art Glitter Glue and try this Elmer's Craft Bond Tacky Glue, and honestly, they were very similar. So I'm very happy with this glue. That's all I gotta say. The only thing is that I need to purchase a bottle with a thinner tip, and then I'll be on my way with this new glue. So anyway, I think I'm gonna drop using Art Glitter Glue. I really kind of haven't been happy with it in a while. I'm not sure if it's because my product is more than a year old, and that's because I had quit crafting for a while. I really don't know what it is, but you know, when you spend that kind of money on that type of glue, you expect it to last more than a year. But just saying, I'm not going to worry about it. So in case I didn't mention, this album is 7 inches by 9 1/4. And the spine is 3 inches. I don't know if I had already mentioned that. I'm kind of losing track of thought. But anyway, on the inside, I went ahead and created waterfalls that hold 4x6 photos. And each waterfall holds 23 photos. And I mirrored the same waterfall on the back. I didn't use magnets for the waterfall only because I knew I was going to be adding photos in here. And I wanted to make sure that the magnets didn't fight with each other. So I just prefer the little ribbon ties. And also it makes it pretty easy for her friend to understand what's going on. Because she's actually never seen a mini album before. she has no idea. I don't even know what kind of photo albums they have in their household. But anyway, I just know that she's never seen a mini album. But here we go. I did a magnet closure and I mirrored that. Each signature is identical, and again, I wanted to make this easy for her. So again, we have our horizontal photos, and then this, you can hold a large 5x7 on both sides, and then here you could probably do an 8x8, okay? Really cute. And then I made I made a large pocket where you could just put photos in. They just love those Snapchat filters, don't they? I think they're kind of funny. But anyway, super cute. And then each one of these signatures holds a large mat. And then right here is where I decided to do the vertical photos, and my daughter was like, well, how do we, put horizontal and vertical photos on here? So I thought, well, I'll just create it to be simple for them. Not every single one of the pages has a waterfall. Maybe eventually, if Alex lets me take a hold of this again, I will add more waterfalls. But in the meantime, I didn't do that. But again, it just kind of mirrors, you know. So I just thought it was really fun. And on the very last one, I decided to put the rest of the photos in here. So, and I did put them in chronological order so that she can add in the rest of the photos wherever she wants to. I always find it difficult to add in photos when it's not my album. But anyway, I just wanted to share this project with you. I hope you all like it. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous weekend. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.